How's it going? Secret DIY here. Today on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode, I'm going to be showing you how I'm plasterboarding out my bathroom, ready for plastering, ready for the cladding going up. So with that said, let's get cracked on. So I started off by cutting all my plasterboard down for my windows. I cut all my plasterboard down. I always like to start in the windows, making sure I get them all straight, all level and all that good stuff. And as you can see here now, all I'm doing is I'm just marking it ready so I can get the length, so I know exactly how many boards I need to cut up. And yeah, I do them all at once and getting them ready. And then once I've done that, I start screwing up all my bits of plasterboard that I've cut, ready for the window reveals. And obviously I just try and get all them level and everything and all set up. Then after that, I left them a bit longer. As you can see here, now I'm starting to saw right down them and saw them up so I can get them as straight as possible, so then they're in line with the plywood that I've put up to strengthen all the walls. And basically all that does is just gives me a straight nice cut to go off, so when I put the plasterboard over, which you'll see in a bit, how I get round all cutting out all round the windows. All I'm doing here now is measuring everything. All my big boards that are in the garage at the moment in time, I'm measuring them all down to the size I need, which I'm putting them all in exactly the same size, height wise, and then I just cut everything up when I get them upstairs. I've got a couple of them to do, ready, so they're all cut down to size. Then all I'm doing now is just getting them ready out the garage to take upstairs, and I took them up the stairs with my son, so they're a bit heavy to get up. So we're all sorted out. A few little things for you to go through. You've got, obviously I've been going marking everything up. So I've marked where all the joists are before I put these, and I put lines down so I know exactly what I'm doing. I've gone every 300, I marked out every 300, and then I put lines all the way in the same. Just looks good. So if you're doing this at home, basically it looks good for the plasterer. You know what I mean? He comes in happy and you get everything nice and flat. So I've done that, marked out for all the joists. I've got to put these holes in round here for the pipes, ready for my combi shower that's going to go in. We changed it to a combi shower apart from our electric. I've done the ceiling, which I'm sure you've seen, and then I've basically obviously I've cut all these down, which I've just shown you, and now it's ready just to basically finish off. So with that said, I'll just get cracked on. Happy days. Right, so now this is the technical bit. I basically got my board in and I've just started to screw up all as one big massive board. Obviously you've just seen what I've been doing a minute ago, and I was telling you about the combi shower and I'll go every 300. But here now I'm doing exactly the same, but I'm basically putting it over the window, so I'm covering the window technically. And then all I'm doing is I'm sawing it down in exactly the same way as where I showed you when I was doing the reveals around the window. And I saw it up, and then once I've done that, when I put my saw through, obviously I stop where the window is, where the window reveal is, just right there, and I stop at the bottom, so that gives me the lines exactly where I need to be. And then what happens, I just put my spirit level against them lines, I cut all the way down with my standing knife, and I just cut down the back. And that basically just takes everything out all perfect. And then that basically, as you can see now, is the window, the plastering board, and right around the window, and it leaves a perfect line, and leaves it all perfect, ready for my angle beads and all that good stuff to go up. So it ends up neat and tidy. So now all I'm doing is cracking on right through, right round all the rest of it, and then I'll show you the end product. Happy days. at last, we're all finished. So let's have a little, sorry about the light, oh bloody hell. So let's have a little look about and see what it looks like. I'll show you some bits and bobs that I've done. So I've basically finished everything now. We're all sorted. So let's go and take a look, and I'll show you how I've gone on. And here it is, the grand reveal. So as you can see, all this is done now. All the way around here, all the way around the top. I've even scrim clothed up all the way around the window. This window's done. And then I've even, just a little tip for you, I've written down here where all the pipes are and everything, and I've left some little hatches so I know where everything is, so when I've plastered it I won't have any problems. And then we've got trusty board finish. So I'd just like to turn around and say thanks very much for watching. I hope you got some tips and tricks from it, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.